In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a storybook with Google Gemini. Creating a storybook can be a fun and rewarding way to express creativity, whether you're doing it for personal fulfillment, sharing with friends, or even for professional purposes. So let's dive right in and get started with Google Gemini. First things first, you'll need to open Gemini. You can do this by simply navigating to the platform through your web browser. It's a straightforward process, perfect for both seasoned users and those who are entirely new to it. Once you have the website open, the next step is to sign in with your Google account. This step is essential as it gives you access to all of the fantastic features available within Gemini. So if you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your Google account. With that done, direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll find an option labeled Explore Gems. This is where the magic begins. Click on this option, and you'll be presented with a variety of creative choices. Your task now is to select Storybook from the options available. Selecting this initiates the process of creating your very own storybook, setting the stage for your imagination to take flight. Now, it's time to decide on your storyboard or storybook prompt. This is where your creativity truly comes into play. Think about the type of story you want to tell or the message you want to convey through your book. Do you have a captivating character in mind or a setting that you'd like to explore? Perhaps you have a particular theme or lesson you want to weave into your storyline. Take your time with this step, as a well-thought-out prompt can make all the difference in generating engaging content. Once you've settled on your prompt, the next step is to submit it and let Gemini work its magic. Click the Submit button and wait for Gemini to generate the storybook pages based on your prompt. The AI works quickly yet thoughtfully to produce a draft that aligns with your initial vision. While waiting, consider the elements you value most in storytelling. Perhaps vivid imagery, engaging dialogue, or a compelling plot twist. After Gemini has generated the pages, it's your turn to review them. Take a close look at the content, the flow, and the overall feel of the story. This is your opportunity to make any adjustments or refinements. Once you're satisfied with the result, you can choose to share it with others or export it for future use. Whether you decide to keep it private or share it with the world, the only limit is your imagination. And there you have it, a beautiful storybook crafted with the help of Google Gemini. Thanks for joining, and I hope you found this tutorial as inspiring and enjoyable as creating your storybook is bound to be. Until next time, happy storytelling.